Hello students, today's topic is reaction today, and in this topic I am going to discuss iodoform reaction. Iodoform formula is CHI3. This is a tetrahedral structure, CH and 3 iodine is connected with carbon. CHI3 is a yellow crystalline compound and it is also used as an antiseptic for the medication of minor skin disease. Iodoform reaction is also used as a qualitative test in the chemistry lab to identify methyl ketone. Now, what is iodoform reaction? Iodoform reaction takes place when methyl ketone reacts in presence of sodium hydroxide and iodine. It forms a yellow color precipitate which is CHI3. It is called iodoform, and as a byproduct we get sodium salt of acid. Like here we have started with acetone. So this is methyl ketone. So it gives CHI3 and sodium salt of acetic acid. This is another example of methyl ketone which is known as acetophenone. So this part is methyl ketone. In presence of sodium hydroxide and iodine, it gives iodoform and sodium salt of benzoic acid. Let's explain the mechanism of iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction is a characteristic reaction of methyl ketone, and acetone is also a methyl ketone. These two are alpha carbons, and alpha carbons have alpha hydrogens. Due to presence of electron withdrawing carbonyl group, alpha hydrogens behave as acidic proton. Now in presence of base, deprotonation takes place and it undergoes ketoenol tautomerism. Due to ketoenol tautomerism, here you can see that O minus is forming and CH2 minus is forming. So here nucleophilic center is carbon, not the oxygen. Now iodide molecule breaks into I plus and I minus. Now CH2 minus, this nucleophilic center, attacks I plus. Then we get this compound CH3 C double bond O CH2 I. CH3CO CH2I, these two alpha hydrogens are more acidic because these two alpha hydrogens are present between two electron withdrawing group, carbonyl and iodine. Now again deprotonation takes place and nucleophilic center generates here. So nucleophilic center attacks to I plus and we are getting CHI2. Now this alpha hydrogen is more acidic, presence of 2 iodine and 1 carbonyl group. So again deprotonation takes place and 3 iodine now get associated with this carbon. Now Ci3 is a very good leaving group. So that's why carbon-carbon bond breaks and it releases as a Ci3 minus. Now OH minus attacks to electrophilic carbon. So we get acetic acid and Ci3 minus. Now acetic acid release H plus in presence of base, and now these H plus get attacked by Ci3 minus, and the final product is CHI3 and CH3COO minus. Some alcohol also can show the positive iodoform test, but the general structure of alcohol should be like this: CH3CrHOH. So in presence of NOH iodine, this alcohol convert into ketone, and this ketone will be a methyl ketone, and then it will be giving iodoform test. Suppose R is hydrogen, so that means it is ethanol. Now in presence of sodium hydroxide iodine, ethanol oxidized to acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde also can be considered as methyl ketone, and then it will give a positive iodoform test. So ethanol is one of the alcohol which shows positive iodoform test, and acetaldehyde is only one aldehyde which shows positive iodoform test. Similarly, when R equal to methyl, then it becomes isopropanol. Now in presence of NOH iodine, the secondary alcohol converted to ketone, it's now become acetone. Acetone is also a methyl ketone, and it gives iodoform. So from this discussion, it is clear that all kind of methyl ketone shows the positive iodoform test. Ethanol and isopropanol shows the positive iodoform test because in presence of NOH and iodine, it converts into methyl ketone, and acetaldehyde is only one aldehyde which shows positive iodoform test. As I have already mentioned that iodoform reaction is one of the well-known qualitative tests for methyl ketone. So during this reaction, if you get a yellow coloration, that solution become yellow, then it's a negative test, so you should repeat the test. But if you are getting a yellow precipitate, then it is showing a positive iodoform reaction. If you think this video is helpful for your study, it cleared your concept, then share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel Chemistry Affinity. If you have any queries related to chemistry, you can send me a mail chemistry.affinity@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video.